Samsung has just dropped a powerful update you don't want to miss. After launching One UI 8, the company is now upgrading its good lock modules to match the new software. And guess what? The Display Assistant is now fully compatible with One UI 8. If you've never used Display Assistant before, you're in for a treat. It's a hidden gem inside the Good Lock app that lets you customize your screen beyond the default settings. Want to change how your screen reacts, fine-tune timeouts, manage brightness smartly, or get more control overall? This plugin gives you that power. Update, make sure everything runs buttery smooth on One UI 8. No more crashes or glitches, just full support and seamless performance. How to get it? Open the Galaxy Store, search Display Assistant, and hit Update or Install. Or just open your Good Lock app and update it directly from there. Once you've updated, all those advanced screen controls will be right at your fingertips on One UI 8. And yes, more Good Lock modules are getting One UI 8 updates soon, so stay tuned. Don't miss out. Update your Display Assistant now and take full control of your Galaxy screen like never before. Like, share, and tag a friend who needs this update ASAP.